Erica here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite packing essentials that I like to bring with me 99% of the time I travel. If you have any favorite essentials, please let us know in the comment section below. All right, my first essential that I bring with me every single time I travel is a jacket with a zipper. I like this one a lot because it comes with a zipper, it has a hoodie. Any type of jacket with a zipper is going to be good because when you're on a flight or if you're in an airport or if maybe you're on public transportation, sometimes they blast the air conditioning so cold. So we just went to Barbados earlier this year and that was one of the coldest airplanes I have ever been on. So I actually had a jacket and I was also wearing pants, but I actually had to take my laptop out just to put it on my lap because the airplane was so cold. So when you have a jacket with a zipper, you can put it down when you're hot, then zip it all the way back up if you're feeling really cold. So it's just a nice option to have versus just bringing an actual hoodie that you can't adjust the temperature with as well. The next item I bring with me every single time I travel is an external battery pack for my phone, for my AirPods, for any of my cameras. It's really important because you're using your phone for navigation wherever you're traveling to. You gotta use it to communicate. Being alone with a dead phone is not a good idea, especially when you're out and about. So this is the Anchor brand. I love Anchor so much. If you're looking for a reputable brand that lasts for a long time, I've been waiting to get a new Anchor battery pack. However, this one just won't die. This one's like, I think over 6 years old now. It is awesome. It charges my phone, my camera, my AirPods. It is wonderful. All right, the next item I bring with me whenever I'm bringing a checked bag on vacation is a luggage weigher. This is a really awesome luggage weigher called eTechCity. And what you do is you just turn on the power button. You can change between pounds and kilograms. And all you do is you just take a luggage, hook this on, and then all you do is just hold it, and this is going to tell you the weight of your bag. Most airlines have a weight limit for your bag, so if you don't have a hotel lobby that has a scale there, or you don't want to ask anyone and you just want to do it yourself, or let's say you're buying a lot of souvenirs and you just want to keep re-weighing things like how we do when we're in Japan, I would highly recommend getting this. It is so light and you can just slip it into your personal item or your carry-on. Getting one of these can save you a lot of money because if you're over the weight limit, sometimes they can rack on 50 to 100, sometimes even more dollars if you're overweight. The other thing that's great about having a luggage weigher is just having the flexibility to weigh and re-weigh your bag multiple times if you're packing the night before and you're trying to be strategic, try not to go over. Because if one bag is at 45 pounds and another bag is at 55 pounds for a check-in bag, then you're gonna be in a lot of doo-doo when you get to the check-in counter. The next item I bring with me every single time I travel, no matter where I'm going, on land, sea, or by air, it's gonna be compression socks. And this brand of compression socks, they are the best. I've been using this since 2020 and they go all the way up to my knees, and if you are shorter, you just want to place them on, not pull them up. They have different sizes for you, and the good thing about these compression socks is they don't make you itchy. So a lot of times if compression socks are digging into your skin or you feel like you got to scratch yourself or put lotion on, those are too tight for you. This brand is really good. I wear it every day as a physical therapist. Between my husband and I, we have over 12 or 13 pairs now, but they come in different colors, which is a plus. And the one great thing about these compression socks is it's 20 to 30 millimeters of mercury, which is a unit of pressure. And that makes it really good for if you're traveling or you're just doing casual wear or just working in the clinic, or maybe you're walking around Disneyland all day or Disney Sea. I highly recommend giving compression socks a try because you're not gonna have your legs feeling achy and tired and restless. Also, they're really good for blood flow circulation because gravity just pulls your blood down, especially if you've been sitting or standing for a long time. So compression socks, trust me, they're awesome. The next item I bring with me, even if it's just an overnighter, but it is gonna be non-leaking toiletry bottles. These ones are really awesome. I spent so much money over like the last 25 years of life just buying really crappy bottles, and they're expensive, right? You go to Target, go to the dollar section, they leak all over the place, they explode, they crack, they're not good. But just for a few dollars, you can get really awesome ones. This is 2.9 fluid ounces and 2.2 fluid ounces. So these can go onto your carry-on bag as long as your liquids are all together. These ones are really great because when you open it, it has a silicone little stopper. So when you squeeze it, comes out really nice. And then when you have to fill it up, you can just fill it up with this nice wide hole through here. I really like these ones a lot. I've also thrown these around. These ones are now over a year old now. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And also it comes with a lot of other cool, nifty things. It comes with a bigger container and a smaller one. And I really like putting body lotion in this one, face cream in this one. And the really awesome thing about these ones is it comes with a little plastic stopper right here, and then it comes with also a little hook, so then you can refill your item really easily when you put it in here. and then you close it, it's not gonna leak all over the place. So I really recommend this brand. These are awesome. Definitely one of the best travel essentials that I've ever gotten in my life. Also, if you like what you see, I would love it if you would just click that subscribe button down there. Here at Build Your Moxie, I cover travel, I cover personal finance, and I cover a lot of Japan. All right, the next item is going to be really comfortable walking shoes. So I'm a physical therapist, and I do believe in having really good shoes, especially if you're walking. If you're running or if you're weightlifting, that's gonna be a different kind of shoe. But if you are traveling, most likely you are walking. So these are Hoka's. This is not the Bondi one. I actually don't really like those ones that much just because they're really big for my feet. This one's the Arahi 7. I am a size 7, but they're also just called Arahi 7s. But yeah, these ones are really, really nice. I'm bringing this one to Japan. I've been using these a lot when I've been at home, but I'm bringing these to Japan pretty soon, and I'm pretty excited because it goes with most of my outfits. But yeah, I really like Hoka's because they do have a lot of cushion and support. Hoka's really good, New Balance is good. I do still like Nike shoes. Pretty much if you're gonna use any type of walking shoe, you just wanna make sure it has enough cushion. So it's different if you're training and you're running, but as far as it goes with walking, there's gonna be different types of terrains, but a lot of times you're probably gonna be walking on harder surfaces like cement, marble, gravel. So I recommend just getting a nice, comfortable walking shoe. The next item is going to be a carry-on roller that has wheels, 4 wheels, and the ones with the double wheels. You have a wheel here and you have a wheel here. If you have a luggage with no wheels, first of all, that's really hard to walk around. Also, this goes for most places, especially if you're gonna go to a place like Japan or Singapore and you wanna just roll your luggage everywhere. Having 4 wheels makes the whole experience so much better. If you only have 2 wheels, it makes it really hard because you have to tilt your luggage in order to walk. And then if you're standing in line and you just have to move like a couple feet, you have to then tilt it again in order to move. So I highly recommend getting a luggage with 4 wheels. This is my husband's beige luggage that he uses. This is a black one, and then I have a beige one, and then I also use Monos hybrid carry-on. I'll link some videos below on some reviews in case you are looking for a luggage with 4 wheels. Got it? It makes a big difference. All right, the next item that every traveler needs is a personal item that comes with a trolley pull-through. So this is what I mean. I have 3 right here I'm gonna show you. So a trolley pull-through is a little sleeve that makes it stay onto your carry-on roller without falling off. So it's really annoying trying to take straps and trying to keep on your bag when you can just get a trolley pull-through. So if you're in the market looking for a personal item goes underneath your plane seat. This is a really good option for you. Trolley pull-through. So this is the beige travel backpack. This is the beige mini weekender. Has another trolley pull-through right here. And then also I have the sports backpack as well. This one has a trolley pull-through. There. So then when you are rolling around, when you're going like this, when you're going like this, it's just nice not having to wear your personal item on your shoulder or on your back. So I recommend getting anything with a trolley pull-through. That's gonna save you a lot of hassle. All right, the next packing essential that is super essential to keep you organized is going to be packing cubes. Packing cubes are really wonderful just to keep you organized. You can keep all your electronics in one place, your underwear in one place, or you could pack by days. I like to pack by outfits. So if you're gonna be getting packing cubes, you might as well get compression packing cubes like this one. I really like packing cubes because you can keep your stuff very organized if you have to start pulling things out, especially if you're going through security. This brand of compression packing cube is awesome. I have a sweater and some clothes in here. So this is what a normal packing cube would look like. But if you get compression packing cubes, what you do is you just zip it up, and then it becomes a lot more thin. So this is the Go Next brand. I really love this brand so much. I've been using this for almost 3 years now, and this brand is really wonderful because it comes with mesh right here for breathability, and then the zippers are really awesome. It comes with different shapes as well, so I like to put my underwear and socks in here, and then this one I like to usually put electronics. Then they have a bigger one. It comes with a shoe bag as well. I just recommend getting compression packing cubes just to keep yourself organized. Like this is the shoe bag it comes things with. It's just nice to keep things separate so you're not scattered all over the place. Another type of packing cube that's really awesome are those that are see-through like this. This is from Bays. I actually have a video where I review a lot of Bays accessories, but this one's really awesome because it fits so much in here, and then you can see front and back. I love compression cubes that are transparent or they have mesh because I can see everything and not get disorganized. The next item, especially if you're going to be going to a place where you know you're going to be bringing souvenirs home, is going to be a duffel bag. A duffel bag that's able to be folded and squeezed and just smushed all around is going to be wonderful because you can put your dirty laundry in here, and then you can put all your souvenirs or whatever items that you bought on your trip. You can put that in your carry-on bag or in your check-in bag. A lot of people like to take a large check-in bag and put a medium bag inside that and like a hard shell luggage with another hard shell luggage. But what I like to do is just take a duffel bag. As long as it has a trolley pull through, you can just put this on top of your check-in bag. So this is a one from Bays. This is just a normal duffel bag. It has a trolley pull through. This one's pretty cool, and I love it because you can throw it in the wash. And if you decide you don't want to bring anything home, now you don't have another luggage that you're carrying. Also, some hard shell luggages, those are about anywhere around 10 pounds or so. So if you're carrying 10 pounds with another 10 pounds inside, that's 20 pounds, and your luggage can only go up to 50 pounds when you're flying internationally. Probably weighs like a pound. A pound is about 3 medium-sized apples, so this is a really good one. Then one that I've been using a lot more recently is this other one called Go Next. So this is like the compression cubes I was just mentioning. So this is Go Next. This one is a really big one. We're bringing this one to Japan, and this one is awesome because you can actually just squeeze it and compress it really tiny. This probably weighs like a pound, and then this can go up to 150 liters. There are other sizes as well, like 40 liters, 50, 100, 80. This is 150, which is awesome. Look how cool this bag is. It's really, really massive. It has a lot of pockets, and what we're going to be doing is putting our dirty laundry in here, and then you can just wash this later. Really, really great thing about this bag is it does have a trolley pull through right here, and then it has a Velcro so then you can make it secure so it's not slipping all over the place. But yes, this is a really awesome duffel bag. We also have the 100 liter. Even if you're not planning on buying any souvenirs, just having some type of bag that's not like a plastic grocery store bag is nice, because if you're going on any day trips and you just want to put maybe some water bottles in there or like some extra clothes, then I just recommend just bringing some type of bag in your actual luggage. All right, the next item, especially if you're traveling anywhere in the world, is going to be Apple AirTags. So I've been traveling with these now for a couple years. These are so amazing. We now have 8 of them amongst just me and my husband. So Apple AirTags are wonderful because anywhere in the world, as long as you have an iPhone, right? As long as you have an iPhone, you can see where your bag is. It makes a little alarm sound, and then you can track it. So what we like to do is put one Apple AirTag in each carry-on item, each personal item, and each check-in bag. And this has just brought so much peace of mind. There's been a time before I had Apple AirTags where my luggage just got shipped back to Korea, and that was just a horrible experience. And we were in Hawaii at the time. I was just waiting days to get my bag back, and it at least would have given me peace of mind just knowing where my stuff was, even if I couldn't keep my bag with me because it was in Korea. Apple AirTags are so awesome, and these are the cases I like to have with them, and you can clip them on to your bag. And then the awesome thing about Apple AirTags is you can replace the battery after about like a year of use. Your phone is going to tell you when you have to replace the battery. The next item I personally love bringing everywhere I go is going to be a good slipper. And the reason for that is because let's say you wanted to go to the pool or you wanted to take a shower somewhere, and maybe it's a public restroom and you don't really want to get your actual shoes wet or dirty. I love these ones so much because these are the ones I use all over the house. I wear them every single day. These ones are really old. These are from Cloud Slides, super comfortable, especially if you have any foot problem or any plantar fasciitis or any other foot problems. These ones are really great because you can wash them in the shower or in the sink. And then for me, you know, some hotels are just not that clean, and I just like having a little bit of cushion. Some hotels may supply you slippers as well, but not all hotels. So for me, just to have comfort, I love bringing this with me everywhere I go. The next item is going to be having a comfortable walking bag if you're going to be walking around and traveling a lot. This is a running backpack that I like to have. if I'm taking a lot of bigger day trips, I'll usually bring this on my more island adventures, or if I know I'm going to bring my computer around a lot. This one's nice because it hugs my back closely and then it has this chest strap. This is a Lululemon one that I found a long time ago. This is wonderful. I also have another smaller mini Lululemon backpack. This one's not as comfortable. However, it has this bottom compartment right here. So if I have a wet umbrella, this one's actually quite nice. If I'm wearing a bigger coat, this one is actually more comfortable than if I'm just wearing a tank top. But if you're looking for a really good walking bag, what I really suggest is getting something with one shoulder. So this is a Kavu bag. This one is really good for hiking or if you're just taking some day trips. This is how the Kavu bag looks. I like that it has a nice rope through here and then it fits my back really nicely. I like one shoulder bags because it doesn't make my back super sweaty. This one's really nice and ergonomic. I've tried a lot of other shoulder bags and this one's probably one of the best ones I've ever had. This is nice if you're going on a hike or if you're going on a longer day trip. You have to put like a camera in here or some clothes or a water bottle. The one that I use every day, every day as just my actual purse, and then I bring this with me when I'm traveling, is just a Lululemon belt bag. This is the Everywhere Belt Bag Large 2-liter bag. And this one's just great because I can keep everything close to me. If you're worried about theft or thievery, I just put my jacket on and it just keeps everything with me. I like it a lot because I just keep my money close to me right here and my passport, and then I can put my vlogging camera in here. It fits a lot of stuff. It doesn't look like it can fit that much stuff, but when you actually compare it to other fanny packs, this one is probably the best one, and I have quite a lot. So just having with you a nice comfortable walking bag is going to be really good, especially because you're probably not going to stay at the hotel the whole time. Another essential that everyone needs is just a way to block out any light, especially if you're on an airplane or maybe your hotel doesn't have good drapes or anything. But the best thing to do is to get a blackout eye mask. Now I love Manta Sleep so much. I recommended this on so many of my videos. Manta Sleep is great because for me, I don't like things touching my eyelashes. So these cups are really deep. They're adjustable eye cups. And then when you put them on, it's nice and deep and nice and soft. And then you can put this in the washing machine. I like that it's not just squeezing you with like that elastic band. And then you can just place it on with Velcro back here. It's really comfortable and it really is truly blackout. Now, if you're someone that's a hot sleeper, I recommend getting the Pro version. This is the Pro version and it has a lot more breathability. You still have eye cups through here that are pretty deep and these hug your face really nicely. Same thing, it has the Velcro in the back and a little bit of grippies that don't snag onto your hair. So this is the Pro version and this is the regular version. So if you're in the market for a really good blackout eye mask, bring this on the flight, bring it to your hotel. I use it at home. I have 4 pairs now, which is pretty gnarly. The last pair that I have, just because I am a little bit bougie with my Korean and Japanese skincare, I just have the silk version like this. And silk is just really nice for your hair and for your skin. So it looks really pretty because it's purple and shiny. So yeah, the silk one, but you don't have to get this one. I just recommend getting at least something to block out any light so you can sleep better, so you can enjoy your travels a lot more. Another item that everyone needs is just having a way to drown out noise. So whether it be earplugs or noise canceling headphones or earbuds, that is really important because you can't always bank on getting sleep on the flight or getting sleep like in your hotel. Maybe there's a lot of activities going on at nighttime, so you can either have over the head ones like this, or for me, I really like carrying my AirPods Pro. These ones are really wonderful because they do noise cancellation. So just having something to block out any noise is going to be key, and I recommend that everyone has some type of option. Alrighty, so that's it for this list. Please comment below if you have any essentials that you bring every single time you're traveling. I'll also link some more helpful travel videos right here.